It's just a different message. Simple message. Feel yourself, and that's the place to start. And I say, hey, hey, what a wonderful time to stay. As we learn to walk and play and get along with each other. Sorry about that, guys. I was just getting into the mood because I'm watching Arthur at the moment. I think that's called something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna try and do a very big burp today. So yeah, let's get to it. 3, 2, 1. Let's do another one. That wasn't very good, was it? Oh my god! I think this is the most burps I'm going to get out today. It was only 3, but I'm sorry guys, it's just a quick video from me to you here. But yeah, enjoy your life, enjoy your day, enjoy your evening, enjoy minutes, everything. Remember to like, subscribe, comment. Peace!